mindset. Magrotman, kupoya off topic khanyani because Bafana yadlala. We see Pirates players are dominating the squad. At least there's one player, Kaizer Chiefs, but one Pirates player had to be injured. So banging sitting player nyane one year Chiefs.
Onalgo stand by.
Yeah, onalgo stand by. Never mail mole baramak shubile Chiefs season 5. But anyways, Bafana taking on Zimbabwe Kausani at the Moses Mabhida Stadium, and then on Tuesday they travel to Mbombela balodlala against Rwanda. Both games are crucial because whatever happens, go the games determines our destiny. Go the FIFA World Cup next year. Hotman, how should be against Zimbabwe, and which players would you like to see? I'd like to start with you.
Yeah, obviously we need to win. We need to win both games. It's that simple. We win because like it's in our hands. We just win both games in the World Cup. For me, I wouldn't look at it as Pirates players or Chiefs players, but the squad that's been playing. Like to see Bata Mbule there, Police there, Relay there.
Relay agrees out.
Oh, he's out. Relay's out. Yeah, game 2. Ule striker sa rona ge Magopa is there. So now would have liked to see Grobler there, but I can't playing the World Cup, so it makes sense to take the younger boy who next year like Rena World Cup. And yeah, I think the squad that's been playing, I think Hugo got it right.
But can I just say something before Ken Hortman? Arena, both strikers baling Molene. I checked their stats yesterday. Evidence Magopa's only scored 1 goal.
Yes.
This season, and they get penalty. Lyle Foster's also scored 1 goal.
Yes.
Len, Fela. So it means that these guys this season bale carry goal. Okay. So it means we don't have a goal scoring striker. And Bradley Grobler Ramona is already on form. He's number 1 got the list of the all-time goals. He's number 3 got the list of the all-time goal scorers the PSL.
Yeah.
Are you happy with the strikers that we have currently?
I think, yeah, but because of we need a win and obvious strikers score goals, I could have loved to see Bradley there because of he's someone that you can rely on. Even if maybe, let's say, tomorrow the team is not doing well, but he's there. I told a chance. Why call? Understand? That you won't see maybe outside what pass you always in the box. We can say Likos Kukune, that's what he's doing. You won't see him doing too many touches, but he's always in the box. And Kukune is where it is now because of he contributed there. You understand? Yes, I can say with what Tuso is saying. Or maybe Boma AG in. Understand? But we need these 2 wins. Like
so can the strikers but I don't think we've had strikers looking their finisher like Magopa really have Konkayen. Right? But he did well high, not by scoring, but by being in the squad. So I think Hugo got it right in that manner. I think the way we play, he doesn't play with a number 9 who's a finisher. I think a number 9 yako teaming will go in a different role. Then I think the wingers are the ones who scores and attacking midfielders. I think that's how he got it right. So whoever he calls a number 9 there, he's not calling him for the finish. I think for
to score. Okay, yeah.
I think that's how I've seen it because if we do so well, Magarena number 9 finish.
And they haven't scored. Much goals go on a national team. It's always maybe we are shy. But short,
police. Yeah, so we've had.
So I think who chooses it based on the way he wants. Whatever. Magopa. Baskar Pazamisa ba Zimbabwe ba.
Never.
No.
No, it's not possible.
Yeah,
no.
Because Nigeria.
No, they are our neighbors.
No, I think
people play. They grew up in the PSL. Most of them.
Teresa wona di ready phela.
Biliati, Manenze, Nalco Pirates was one of oversee no ke rona yi. So let them think about it.
They must think about it. It's not easy.
They must know where home is.
They must know.
Yeah. Before Rikwala,
it's a win.
Score prediction: Bafana versus Zimbabwe.
2-0.
Wena Hotman.
2-1.
Bafana versus Rwanda.
3-0.
Wena
2-0.
Khotsorra World Cup.
Straight.
Nizwela bafethu. Amagrotman izinje zegame bathi siyahamba iWorld Cup ila isiyakhona. Zimbabwe rekupa that 1-5. One favor, Nyana. Let's be together and represent the Southern Hemisphere. We are one, man. We are one. Santata Sinfaga ku PSL ni Ashina. You guys go overseas because of us. Can we just have this favor once? Ninga mamela ma Nigerian basile labaya. So, Bafetu, that's it. Omni Soweto derby. We spoke. Kube ne debate nyane mnandi. One says Ozonapolis would have been a better fit at Kaizer Chiefs. One says Ozonapolis is fine at Orlando Pirates. So munye uthi sipombule because of mnandi lapha ku Chiefs but akana quality. One says that no, Pirates imsebenzisa sharp omatsiri lapha uyalanda. One says Bafana is going to win 2-0. Omunye uthi 3-0. So bona khona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Omni Soweto derby Mdusbeko Tusophala Sifiso Myeni Bari Danko is thank you Cyril is breakfast and it's ready for you to eat. Habash.
Aish. La. Manana.
Danko.
Aish.